Hello friends, I hope you're doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to fund an account in the Headway Broker using the ERC20 Tether method. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we funded our account in this broker using the TRC20 Tether method, and now we intend to do this using Tether on the Ethereum network. For this, we need to go to the Finance section from the left menu. In the deposit section, select the account or wallet you want to fund. After selecting the wallet, you need to choose the method, which is Tether on the ERC20 test network. On the next page, you need to specify the amount you want to deposit. And as you can see, the minimum deposit amount for this broker is $10. The fee for this deposit is 0%. And the processing time for this transaction is 10 minutes. In this section, the amount of minutes you will receive is displayed and you click on the deposit option. On the next page, the destination address will be displayed to you. You go into your wallet on your mobile phone, select the desired asset, which is Tether on the Ethereum network. Click on the Send option. In the first field, you enter the destination address, and in the second field, you specify the amount you want to deposit. Alternatively, you can easily scan the displayed QR code by clicking on this option to complete the deposit process. Then, click on Next. On this page, the sender's address, the destination address, the fee amount, and the total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking Confirm and entering the password, the payment operation will be completed. After completing the operation, you can view more details of your transaction on the Etherscan website by clicking on the More Details option on this page. Now, you need to click on the I made the payment option on the broker's page, and on this page, by clicking on the Check Transaction option, you can view the details of your deposit operation. As you can see, your deposit has been successfully completed. In future tutorials, we will guide you on how to withdraw from this broker using the ERC20 Tether method. Good luck!